Oh, okay, what a day. As you can see, I left town earlier today and just got here to the Medora, North Dakota. It's a real quick trip. Again, it's been tonight and tomorrow night here and then head back. So, and my brother is here, and he is actually still on the same trip that we started on July 24th when we went out to Yellowstone and Grand Teton and stuff. So he hasn't even been home yet. So, but anyways, that's probably all I did was drive today. I just wanted to get here. I didn't want to do any filming on the way here. So, anyways, we're at the rented home here, and I'm just gonna wrap up this piece here, and then to resume tomorrow. Well, that's gonna be part of this video too. So, this is gonna be part of that video. So, okay, good night, and going to Theodore Roosevelt tomorrow, right? Yeah, okay, that's what we're doing tomorrow. So, see you in a little bit. Let's step out here and see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Oh, horses. Beautiful morning here. Medora, North Dakota. Wow. Of course, I got here in the dark last night. So I didn't get to see what it looked like. Wow, I like this view though. Is that focusing? There. Okay. All right. Oh. Okay, just kind of a continuation from last night. Wow, beautiful here. Nice little deck here. Yeah, this is kind of like an impromptu trip. Wasn't really sure if it was even going to come. That really doesn't work with the sun behind me. The view looks better that way. I kind of block it with my head though, kind of washes my face out. Well, that's all right. Okay, yeah, we're here at Medora, and my brother is here. He's still on the trip that we left on last July. See, there's the van, and I drove his car out here. I could get some people camping there too. Let's look at the view. And of course, right next to the Medora is Theodore Roosevelt National Park. So we're going to go there today and drive through the park and just kind of wing it. And then tomorrow morning early I'll be heading back home because I have to work Friday. This is my normal 2 days off, Wednesday and Thursday. And of course, yesterday I was going to come early in the morning, but the weather was kind of questionable. It was like snowing here and it rained all day. And it was in the afternoon where I decided to actually made the decision to come on this trip. Oh, look at that sun coming up. So I'll figure I'll get probably 2 videos, today's and tomorrow's, or put it all into one. I'm not sure. I'll just play that by ear. But yeah. So it's about 7:45 right now, 8 a.m. Mountain Time. I think I'm going to head back into our little cabin here and have breakfast, and let's talk to you later.